Hi friends, we are going to do calendar for today. Now yesterday was the 23rd, so today is 24. So let's write that down. So F 24, so it's 23, 24. What number comes after 24? You're right, 25. So today is Thursday, September 24, 2020. Let's go to our 10 frames. Now we have one group of 10, and we can count up from there. So let's add another counter. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13. So how do we write 13? 1 and a 3. Let's go to our tally marks. So tally marks, we're counting by fives. We have 5, 10. Now we will add one more. Let's count by, ready? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Go to our 100 chart. Let's find the number 13. So our numbers are getting bigger. We're moving left to right, and then we're moving all the way down. Let's go to our weather. Today is cloudy. Now let's go to our shape of the day. What shape is this? This is called a pentagon. Let's count the sides on our pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. How many vertices do we have? 5 vertices. Now let's look at today's pattern. We have triangle, square, trapezoid, triangle, square. What comes after the square? You're right, it's the trapezoid will be the next shape. So this is called an ABC pattern. And that's it for today.